Good day mga kamaters, mga math enthusiasts and resilient students. Have a blessed day everyone and welcome to another video lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and also hit the notification ng aking YouTube account para updated kayo sa mga video lessons ko in learning mathematics. Today, we are going to discuss division of decimals. Still, Sir Johnny Olorbida, your teacher for the day. Before we proceed, let us have a short review of our past lesson, multiplying decimals. What is the area of a square whose sides measure 5 and 6/10 meters? What are we going to do? Multiply. What are we going to multiply? Yes, we are going to multiply 5 and 6/10 by itself, or 5 and 6/10 times 5 and 6/10. Again, what is our rule in multiplying? Multiply as whole number. Let us multiply. 6 times 6, 36. Regroup 3. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. Next number, we are going to multiply 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Regroup 3 again. Then 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28. Then this is what we called our partial product. We are going to add the numbers. So bring down the 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Regroup 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Then let us count the decimal places. 1 and another 1, which is 2. So 1, 2. So our answer is 31 and 36 square meters. That is the area of the square. Very good. Let us take a look on this number. What is the area of a rectangle if the width is 4 and 3 meters and the length is 6 and 5 meters? Again, we are looking for the area, so we are going to multiply. Area is equals to, nice, length times width. So we are going to multiply the length, which is 6 and 5/10, multiply by 4 and 3/10. So, okay, let us multiply. Let us start with 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Then, regroup 1. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 195. Let us proceed with number 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Regroup 2. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Then we are going to add again the partial product. Bring down 5. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. And bring down 2. Let us count the decimal places. 1, 2. So 2 decimal places. Our answer is 27 and 95 hundredths square meters. Okay, good job mga kamaters. I hope na malinaw ang multiplying decimals and finding the area of square and rectangle. Now let us analyze this problem. A fisherman caught 15 and 45 kilograms of fish. He distributed the fish equally among his 5 family members. How many kilograms did each family member get? Okay, shout out sa mga fisherman, ang aking mga kapatid yan sa Binangonan. Shout out sa mga taga Binangonan Rizal, yan. Marami diyan mga fisherman. Mabuhay po kayo. Sila ang nagpo-provide sa atin ng mga fish na ating kinakain, ang mga rich in protein. Ayan. And don't forget, tingnan natin, ang sabi dyan, nag-share ang mga fisherman. So, share your blessings, special this time of pandemic. Remember, be a blessing to everyone, guys. Okay, let us go back to this problem. What operation are we going to use? And that is correct. Division. We are going to divide 15 and 45 kilograms by 5. But how? How are we going to divide? Remember, to divide decimals, here is the rules. Number 1, the divisor must be a whole number. Tandaan, yung number sa labas, the divisor, kinakailangan maging whole number. How about if it is a decimal? Tingnan natin. Number 2, if the divisor is decimal number, simply move the decimal point to the right to make it a whole number. So kung yung nasa labas natin ay isang decimal number, ayan, nasa labas yung ating decimal number, we are just going to move. Ayan, move natin. So, para maging 7. Ayan, para maging 7 na siya. So, naging 7 na ang ating divisor. Next, number 3. Once you move the decimal point of the divisor, you must also move the decimal point of the dividend. The same number of the places. 49 to. Nasaan ang decimal number ng 49? Very good. Nasa dulo. Ayan, di ba? So, let us move daw. Ilang move ang ginawa? 1. So, let us move 1. 1. So, what are we going to do? Annex 0. So, it will become 490. So, ganyan kasimple ang pag-divide ng decimal. Then, number 4, proceed with division. O proceed with division and shift the decimal point up into the answer. So, ang decimal point natin nasa dulo. So, nasa dulo pa rin ang decimal point. Then, round off your answer to the nearest 100. So, proceed tayo. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 7 times 9 is 49. Next, 49 minus 49 is 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. And 0 times 7 is 0. So, our answer is 70. So, that is the rule in dividing decimals. Let us go back to our problem. So, we are going to divide 15 and 45 hundredths by 5. So, let us divide 15 and 45 hundredths divided by 5 members of the family. Don't forget, yung 5 ang nasa labas, that is our divisor. And 15 and 45 hundredths is our dividend. So let us take a look. The divisor is 5 and it is already a whole number. So whole number siya. So let us proceed with division. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Very good. 3 times 5 is 15. And please don't forget to put the decimal point up to your quotient. Ayan, tinaas lang natin ang decimal point. Then, 15 minus 15 is 0. Bring down 4. Hindi na natin i-bring down si decimal point. Ano? 4 divided by 5 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. And 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 yan. 9 times 5 is 45. So what will be our answer? How many kilograms did each family member get? Very good. The answer is 3 and 9 hundredths kilograms. Very good. Let us practice. 3 and 12 hundredths divide by 6. So let us write the division equation. 3 and 12 hundredths is our dividend and 6 is our divisor. So, whole number na ang ating divisor. Let us proceed with the division. Don't forget to put the decimal point up to the quotient. So, 3 divided by 6 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then bring down 1. 31 divided by 6 is 5. And 5 times 6 is 30. 31 minus 30 is 1. Bring down 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Then 2 times 6 is 12. So we don't have, we stop it now. Then our answer is 52 hundredths. Good job, kids. Let us try this. 72 hundredths divided by 3 thousandths. Again, let us write the equation. Our dividend is 72 hundredths. Then our divisor is 3 thousands. The first thing that we are going to do is to make the divisor a whole number. So, decimal point ang 3,000. So, gawin natin, move the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So, it will become 3. Okay, whole number na siya. Then, we move the decimal point 3 places in our divisor. Let us move the decimal point in our dividend 3 places also. 1, 2, and 3. So, our 72 hundredths will become 720 because we are going to put 0 here at narito na ang decimal point. So, 720. Then let us proceed with the division. 7 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Meron pa. Bring down another 0 here. Then 0 divided by 3 is 0. And 0 times 3 is 0. Ayan. Kinakailangan lahat ng number sa dividend natin ay may katapat na sagot sa quotient natin. So, our final answer is 240. And that is correct. How about this? How many 5/10 are there in 20? So, our equation will become 20 divided by 5/10. Very good. So as you can see, our divisor again is a decimal number. So let us move the decimal point once. It will become 5. Then also move the decimal point of 20. Remember, whole number and decimal point ay nasa dulo. Move 1. It will become 200 because we are going to put or annex 0. So let us divide. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20, 0 bring down 0, and 0 divide 5 is 0. And 0 times 5 is 0. So our final answer is, very good, 40. Let us apply. Karen would like to pour 3 and 5/10 liters of fresh milk equally into 7 bottles. How many liters of fresh milk each bottle contains? Remember, kids, drink milk because milk is good for your bones and to make your teeth stronger. So, kinakailangan uminom tayo ng gatas bago matulog or every morning. So, let us go back to our problem. How are we going to solve this? And that's right, we are going to divide the 3 and 5/10 liters. I-divide natin into 7 bottles. So, do we need to move the decimal point? Okay, no, because 7 is a whole number. So, let us proceed with the division. 3 divided by 7 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. And 3 minus 0 is 3. Bring down 5. Oh, let us put the decimal point up to our quotient. Okay, to our answer. Then 35 divided by 7 is 5. And 5 times 7 is 35. So our answer will become 5/10 5/10 liters. Okay, good job, kids. Congratulations. That's all for today mga kamatters, ang mga math enthusiasts and resilient students. Stay safe everyone, keep calm, and stay home. Bye everyone!